Do you feel neck stiffness after work? Do your shoulders feel tight or painful? Is your upper back always tense from sitting too long? You're not alone. Today, I will guide you through a complete routine to relieve neck, shoulder, and upper back pain. First, sit comfortably on your mat. Keep your back straight and relax your shoulders. We'll start with a gentle neck stretch. Slowly tilt your head toward your right shoulder. Do not lift your shoulder. Just feel a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck. Breathe in slowly and breathe out. Hold here for 15 seconds. Now slowly come back to the center. Switch sides. Tilt your head toward your left shoulder. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders relaxed. Feel the stretch on the opposite side. Slow breathing. In and out. Come back to center. Now we'll do slow neck circles. Lower your chin toward your chest. Slowly roll your head to the right, back, to the left, and down again. Move slowly and gently. No fast movements. Repeat this 5 times. Now, change direction. Very good. Let's move to shoulder mobility. Stand up tall, feet hip width apart. Lift your shoulders up toward your ears. Roll them back and relax down. Again, up, back, and down. Let's do 10 repetitions. Now reverse the direction. Up, forward, and down. Keep the movement smooth and controlled. Great. Now extend your arms out to the sides. Start with small forward circles. Keep your core tight and arms straight. Slow, controlled movement. After a few seconds, make the circles bigger. Feel the shoulders warming up. Now switch direction. Small backward circles first, then bigger circles. Keep breathing. Excellent. Now let's stretch the upper back. Sit down with your legs extended forward. Reach your arms toward your feet. It's okay if you can't touch your toes. Just reach as far as comfortable. Feel the stretch in your upper and middle back. Relax your neck. Hold here and breathe slowly. Good. Now come onto your knees for child's pose. Sit back onto your heels. Stretch your arms forward on the mat. Lower your chest toward the floor. Let your spine relax. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Stay here for a few seconds. Now move into tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. For cat pose, round your back up toward the ceiling. Tuck your chin in. Feel the stretch between your shoulder blades. Now cow pose, drop your belly down, lift your chest and look slightly upward. Move slowly between cat and cow. Inhale in cow. Exhale in cat. Repeat this 10 times. Beautiful. Now we will strengthen the muscles to prevent pain from coming back. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Step slightly back. Keep your body straight. Slowly bend your elbows and lean toward the wall. Then push yourself back. This is a wall push-up. Keep your core tight. Move slowly and controlled. Let's do 12 repetitions. Great job. Now grab your resistance band. Hold it at chest level with both hands. Pull the band outward. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Slowly return to the starting position. Do not rush. Focus on squeezing the upper back muscles. Let's do 15 repetitions. Excellent. Now slightly bend forward at your hips. Extend your arms out to the sides, forming a T shape. Lift your arms up, squeeze your shoulder blades, slowly lower them down. Keep your neck neutral. Do not shrug your shoulders. 12 slow repetitions. Perfect. Deep breathing. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. And slowly breathe out through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Feel your neck, shoulders, and upper back relaxed.